Hello friend, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to group and ungroup layers in Photoshop. First open the Photoshop and open the file, then go to the layer panel, press Alt key, select layer. If you want to group, then right click on the layer, then select group from layer. Also you can change group name as like ABC. Now we make group layer. Also if you want to ungroup layer, then right click on the layer and click on the ungroup layer. Now we ungroup layer. If you want to another way layer group, then go to the layer menu and click on the group layer. Now we make group and ungroup layer in Photoshop. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our graphics solution tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.